recent years impacted by a myriad of challenges. Now the Ministry of Industry and Commerce says it has a trick up its sleeve. Ibn Abunda gives us more in the following report.
Zimbabwe's manufacturing sector currently contributes 13.8% to GDP, down from a peak of 23% in the 1980s. Blighted by a number of macroeconomic challenges over the past 2 decades, the sector's recovery has been stuttering. Now authorities believe they have an ace up their sleeves, a tonic to get the engines firing from all cylinders once more. Today, the Minister of Industry and Commerce unveiled a new blueprint for the manufacturing sector, the Zimbabwe Industrial Reconstruction and Growth Plan.
The purpose of this transitional plan is to address the main challenges faced by the manufacturing and commercial sector and the underlying policies issue that need to be addressed.
The blueprint aims to address various issues such as competitiveness, the cost of doing business, promotion of linkages with SMEs, innovation and research. The plan's strategies include targeting a manufacturing growth rate of at least 5% annually, increasing sector investment by 3% per year, and raising the manufacturing value added to 20% of GDP by 2030. This is to be achieved through investment in infrastructure, mechanization of production processes, value addition, establishment of public and private sector partnerships, as well as macroeconomic stability. Running till the end of 2025, the plan will be succeeded by another which will be aligned to the NDS2 between 2026 and 2030.
This resource will provide critical support to key sector, fostering innovation and capacity building in our industries. To further support local production, the government has introduced.
The targeted sectors include pharmaceuticals, grains and cereals, dairy, clothing and leather products, articles of iron and steel, wood and timber, among others. Now experts say compliance costs in Zimbabwe are too high. This they feel is making Zimbabwean products less competitive regionally.
A study that was done by CZI showed that about 18% of overhead costs are just regulatory costs. These are just costs for you to comply. Before you start manufacturing, 18% of overhead costs. Our manufacturing sector is not competitive. So this industrial reconstruction growth plan came at a time where we need to make the manufacturing sector competitive.
Only 1% of the 2025 national budget was allocated toward energy procurement. Experts have warned that if the power challenges are not resolved, the blueprint may fail to yield the expected outcomes.
Said by previous speakers, there's no way you can achieve industrialization without effective access to energy. Because whether it's renewable or non-renewable, we need energy to propel the growth and development process.
Industry capacity utilization in Zimbabwe has struggled to breach the 60% mark in recent years. The million-dollar question is, will the blueprint prove to be the silver bullet industry requires? Only time will tell. Ibn Abunda for ZTN Prime in Harare.